welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, I'm Monica. I share skincare, hair care, hairstyle and makeup related content. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new updates. So let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about chemical exfoliation. What is chemical exfoliation? If you're a beginner to chemical exfoliation, how to use it and what are the benefit. Do you really need chemical exfoliation and at what age you can start using it? There is lot of questions that you guys have, and I've got lot of DMs on my Insta also regarding chemical exfoliation. Everything I'll be sharing in this video. There are lot of chemical exfoliation that is available in the market at different strength, and different component is being used, different brands, and every day a new product is being released. There is lot of product in the market that is too confusing. I do understand. So back in the days when I was a teenager, when I started using skincare, at that time I never heard about chemical exfoliation. All I know was physical exfoliation, and to cleanse my face and to use a scrub, that is chemical exfoliant, and toner and moisturize. That's all I know. Nowadays there are serums. There are different serums available for different skin problem, and there are different chemical exfoliant that is available, different toners with actives, lot of things in the market. So you are confused which product to use, what is the benefit, and sometimes it is little scary when it comes to chemical exfoliation. Will it damage our skin in a long run? Will it damage, and will it make your skin age faster? So all these questions I used to get in my Insta DM. So I thought of making a detailed video about chemical exfoliation. Whatever I know, I'm not a professional, I'm a medical person, but still I'm not a dermatologist or a doctor to talk about this. So if you want a professional advice, go get it from a dermatologist and try, because back in the days chemical exfoliation was done only in clinics. Doctors, dermatologists used to do chemical exfoliation and chemical peeling. That's what I know. But that time itself I started using chemical exfoliation. I started using like glycolic acid 7% cream, salicylic acid 2% cream. I get it from pharmacy and I use it, because that time such serums were not available. But I research a lot, and I have like whitehead and blackhead problem during my teenage also. So I was researching a lot, and I came to know chemical exfoliation is a good way. And in in a clinic, in a professional skin lab, it cost a lot for chemical peeling. So I did something. I used to try new actives. I get it from the pharmacy and I use, but those things shouldn't be done. Actually, I damaged my skin by doing all those things. I experimented with my skin a lot. So now let's get into the video. First, what is chemical exfoliation? So exfoliation is removing the dead skin cells. There are two types of exfoliation. One is chemical and one is physical. So first, what is physical exfoliation? Physical exfoliation is that we physically remove the dead skin cells using a scrub or using a brush. Like we vigorously like do something like this and remove the dead skin cells. That is what is meant by physical. So doing something physically and then removing the dead skin cells and the top layer of the skin. So that is physical exfoliation. But there are a lot of disadvantages of using a physical exfoliation. You might be very abrasive to your skin. You can cause micro tearing. But still there are many physical exfoliation that is available in the market, and people do use it, but use it with a precaution. That's what I say. So what are chemical exfoliants? Chemical exfoliants are chemicals, that is the actives that we use, AHAs and PHAs, alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid. These are exfoliant. When applied on the skin, they helps to remove the dead skin cells. They break down the dead skin cells and helps to remove it. So that's what these chemical exfoliants do. These are benefited in if you have sensitive and acne skin, because if you have a acne, if you use a physical exfoliant, you are like disturbing the acne, and you will get more acne also. It is very abrasive to your skin. So if you are using a mild chemical exfoliant, it helps to gently remove the dead skin cell without disturbing the acne. So that's why doctors recommend chemical exfoliants for acne prone skins. So according to my experience, I would say you can start chemical exfoliant after the age of 23. Yes, 23, because your skin will be more mature, and you can use chemical exfoliant, and always start with a lesser strength. I will come to it in the later part. So firstly, there are different strengths available. Okay, there is a mild, and you can also get a higher strength, you can also get a moderate strength. So all these different concentration is available, and brands also come up with like beginners and then for matured skin, so which is very easy for you to choose also. So chemical exfoliants are AHAs and PHAs. AHAs, PHAs includes lactic acid, glycolic acid, and then salicylic acid, and there's lot of acids. I'll give the list here. Okay, there are different types of acid which is being used. Let's take for example this one. It has 30% of AHA. So the 30% of AHAs are 2% of glycolic, 10% of glycolic, 10% of lactic, and 10% of malic acid. So all these tends together 30% of AHA, and 2% PHA. PHA is salicylic acid. So a different brand use different alpha hydroxy acid. I would say this lactic and glycolic acid and mandelic acid are more safe to use. Actually they are mostly lactic acid and all, glycolic acid and all, it's plant derivative acid only, so they are more safe to use. And there are different strengths available. I have only this two. I'll give the list of the product in the description for beginner, and for a higher strength one, if you're a matured person, if you're using chemical exfoliant for a long time, you can try the higher strength. I'll give it in the description. If you're a beginner, if you're using for the first time, go ahead and try something with lesser strength. Something less than 10% or 15% would be fine. Less than 10 or 15% of AHA. So in this it contains 10% of AHA and 1% of PHA, that is 1% of salicylic acid, and 10% is it has glycolic acid. So this one has glycolic acid as AHA. So this is very safe to use, and glycolic acid, as I told, it's a plant derivative, and 1% salicylic acid is also very safe to use. Just apply it on your skin, leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. So the duration has to be only 10 minutes, not more than that. You have to leave it only for 10 minutes. Even if you use the milder one, or if you use the higher concentration one, you have to leave it only for 10 minutes. If you think like I leave it longer it will work better, no, it won't do that. And if you think that if I apply more it will work better, no, even if you apply 1 drop or 2 drop, it will work the same way only. So you have to apply like 3 to 4 drops of the serum all over your face evenly. Or if you want to leave some of your dry patches, sometimes I have dry nose, so I leave my nose area and I apply only here wherever I have acne. You can do that also. Apply it, leave it for 10 minutes strictly, maximum 15 minutes, not more than that, and then wash it off. Who should use chemical exfoliation? Chemical exfoliation can be used if you have whitehead, blackhead, acne problem, and if you have uneven skin tone. If you have whitehead and blackhead problem, it is caused due to the clogging of your pores. So whiteheads are closed comedones and blackheads are open comedones which is exposed to the air and it gets black in color. So these gets clogged into your pores, basically the oil and dirt, and if it is left like that, there will be bacteria growing in it and it will cause it, and it will become like a cystic acne. So to avoid that, when you have like whitehead or blackhead, you can use such exfoliants which helps to dissolve the dirt, oil, and clear the pores. So that's what basically these do. These helps to clear your pore so that these whiteheads and blackheads are prevented, and the existing one also get clear. But you cannot see the difference in the first use itself. No, even with the chemical, you can't see result in the first use itself. You have to use it weekly. First start using weekly once, then use it weekly twice, then weekly thrice. I'm talking about the lesser strength. So always start with the lesser strength, use it weekly once, and next week you can use weekly twice, and weekly thrice is the maximum. Don't use more than that, and see how it reacts to your skin. So at least for a month you have to use, then only you will start seeing some difference. And I used to see difference in the first use itself in the texture of my skin. Sometimes when I have like small tiny bumps that I can't see, but I can feel when I touch, like the small pores get clogged, no? So that time when I use once itself, I can feel my textures have improved. So before using the, so that's what these chemical exfoliants do. And I always start with a lesser strength. I started with a lesser strength, and after I saw it was working well on my skin, then then I went ahead and bought the higher strength, which is 30% and 2%. So this is how you can use. So you can use if you have whitehead, blackhead and acne problem, and if you have like uneven skin tone, it helps to even out the skin also, remove the dead skin cells. So by that your skin gets even also, so that you can do. And if you have extremely dry and sensitive skin, stay away from such chemical exfoliant. You can use something like serums or toners. There are toners which contains exfoliant, like a pixie toner contains 7% glycolic acid. So there are different toners which contains exfoliant in it, which is very mild, and you can include in your routine, everyday routine, or you can use on alternate days. And there are serums also available, like with a lesser strength. I will mention all those things in the description. So this you can do if you have very dry and sensitive skin. If you have oily and acne prone skin, you can try such individual chemical exfoliant, or you can just start with using a toner with a serum and then see how it working on your skin, and later you can use such thing, like use that for at least 1 or 2 months and see how it's working on your skin. Then you can include all these things. Okay, so now let's see how I use it. First step is cleansing your face. Make sure to double cleanse your face. Your face must be cleansed thoroughly. I have sunscreen and kajal on, so I'm using a micellar water to remove all the makeup and the product on my face. And after that I'll be using a face wash also to cleanse my face thoroughly. You can use your regular cleanser. Any mild and gentle cleanser would do. I'm using Garnier Gentle Cleanser. This is what I'm using in recent days. So after washing my face, I'm going to pat dry. So once my skin is pat dried, don't apply anything on your face. Let it dry for a minute. And I'm just using a lip balm because my lips are very dry. So just to protect them, I'm using a lip balm. Other than that, don't apply any product. I usually use this chemical peel from Dermaco, that is 30% ACA and 2% PHA. This is for mature skin, but I've already used it like 3-4 days back, so I don't want to use the higher concentration again. Just for the sake of this video, I'm using this one. This is from Nykaa. It is a beginner friendly. It has only 10% AHA and 1% PHA. Apply it like 3 to 4 drops all over your face, just like your normal serum. You can either take it in your palm and dab it on your face, or just drop it on your face like this. Make sure the dropper doesn't touch your face. It shouldn't touch. There should be gap, okay, because it's not it's not hygienic. So after applying it, I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. I also apply it to my neck also because I get blackheads there also. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to wash it off and use the same cleanser which I used before, gentle cleanser, and wash it off completely. And my skin feels very smooth and clear. And don't forget, you shouldn't apply any actives after this. Don't apply anything for 1 day at least. Don't use any salicylic acid or any acid on your face. Use only moisturizer, and you can use any rose water toner if you want, but don't apply any actives because that will make your skin more sensitive. So don't do that. And I'm using Cetaphil Daily Advanced Moisturizer. It works well for all skin type. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section whether this video was helpful to you, and give this a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.